We're here at the launch of the Canon EOS M50, the latest mirrorless camera from Canon. While it looks like the flagship M5, it actually sits between the M6 and the EOS M100 in the range. So as we touched upon, while it shares a very sort of similar design aesthetic to the EOS M5, it's more of an entry-level mirrorless camera. It does have 4K video capture, which is a first for a mirrorless camera from Canon, which is good news. It has the 24.3 megapixel APS-C Cmos sensor that we've seen on previous EOS cameras. It features an improved dual pixel Cmos AF system. So the old system's already impressed us a great deal in existing models, but this one has a wider AF coverage and now comes complete with 149 AF points across the viewfinder. It comes complete with eye detect AF, so it can track your eye when shooting. There's a vari-angle 3-inch touchscreen display, and there's a mic input, and that's not forgetting the 5-axis image stabilisation for video. So this has huge potential for vloggers out there. The EOS M50 comes with improved connectivity options. There's obviously Wi-Fi and NFC, but there's also Bluetooth as well. It's the low energy form that we've seen in numerous other cameras out there, which means it can automatically transfer images from your camera to your smart device so you can share instantly should you wish to. Another first for the EOS M50 is the arrival of the Digic 8 image processor. This sees it shoot at 7.4 frames a second with continuous AF, or if you just want a single shot AF, it'll shoot at 10 frames a second. So that's been a quick overview of the EOS M50 from Canon. Check out TechRadar for our full hands-on review.